file locking is extremely important for file sharing and team collaboration. Without it, you will run into problems like file overwriting or conflict of changes.
A regular file server supports file locking only if a program locks files. For example, if a user opens an Excel file on a network drive, Microsoft Excel will lock the file. Other users can read it, but cannot modify it until the first user closes the file.
However, many programs, such as Microsoft Notepad, Wordpad, Paint, and many Adobe applications don't lock files. For example, when you open a text file in Notepad, it is not locked. Thus, multiple users can edit the same text file at the same time, resulting in file overwriting.
DriveHQ has an advanced file locking solution that can solve this problem. DriveHQ is a leading cloud IT service provider founded in 2003. You just need to use DriveHQ's cloud-based file server.
When you open a text file in a DriveHQ Cloud Drive, Notepad will not lock the file. However, the file will be automatically locked by the Drive Mapping tool. If another user opens the same file on another computer, it will pop up a message telling the user that the file is locked. When the first user closes the text file, the second user will receive a notification message that the file can be reopened for read-write access.
You can download DriveHQ WebDAV Drive Mapping Tool from drivehq.com website. DriveHQ offers free 5 GB cloud storage. If you like this video, please share it or write a comment. DriveHQ has a lot of tutorial videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.